welcome back to my channel. Whew, you will not believe, but it's snowing outside. We are late. What is today? Today's actually the Valentine's Day. I'm recording this on the Valentine's Day, so I think I'm gonna post it tomorrow, which is Monday. And yeah, we went to church this morning and it was, you know, pretty decent weather, and by the time we get off the church it's like a full-blown snow. So the weather said it's gonna snow for the whole night and the whole day and possibly tomorrow, so I think the south is gonna have some serious problem, and I really hope we're not gonna lose the power, because that's what happened years ago and it was just freezing. It's like 20 degrees outside, so it is Fahrenheit, which is -8 in Celsius, so it is very cold for Little Rock, ridiculously cold. We don't get to this kind of temperatures, and it just kind of brings the memory of my childhood. So anyway, my kids are super excited about the snow. Okay, so this video is not about the snow. This video is about the first handbag. Yes, you guys, I purchased last week, and I actually used this once already because I just couldn't wait. So it's gonna be like a review, and it's obviously from Saint Laurent. And if you have been following me for a while, you know that this handbag was on my wish list. I can try to link this wish list video up there, and I was just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Should I get it? Should I not? Because, you know, I live here in the south, and usually, well, except today, usually the year round we have pretty warm weather, and the winter, if we do get a winter, is literally like a week or two, and you know, then it really gets warm again. So anyway, yes, I pulled the trigger and I have decided to get this beautiful handbag. So let me just show you what I've got, you guys. And like I said, I just wasn't sure, but then if I really love something and I think about it for a little while, I'm just gonna go for it. So there we go. The handbag came with the dust bag. When you buy from the retail store, they don't give you a box. So I guess if I would purchase it from the YSL.com, I would get a box, but there we go. So the handbag that I picked is, are you ready? Yes. It's the YSL puffer or puffer, how do you say it? Puffer, I think you say puffer bag. So yes, you guys, I have been going back and forth if I need this handbag, or if I really, you know, gonna have a use of this handbag, because like I said, I live in the south, and 7 months we have like a really pretty hot, you know, weather, 7-8 months out of the year. So nevertheless, I decided to pick it up, and the bag that I've got is the medium size, which is, I think this is the largest size, and it is with the antique gold hardware, and it is all black, obviously. And you guys, the first thing when I took it out of the box, you know, when it shipped, I could not get my hands off this handbag. I was like petting it all the time. I don't know if this is the lamb skin or if it's a calf skin. I didn't do my homework, I'm sorry, but it is so incredibly smooth. I think it might be actually a lamb skin. And as you can see, those you know, those squares, those little quills are poofy, puffy, and it just feels so incredibly luxurious. Here's the back of the handbag. So nice, you guys. See, like, I cannot stop petting this handbag. So this is the back, this is the front, and I mentioned it's in a medium size. I'm pretty sure the medium size or the large, is it what they call? I'm gonna double check, but I'm pretty sure this is the largest size, unless I'm wrong. But this is the size I wanted. I think it's about 14 inches here across. And yeah, I was also, you know, kind of considering getting it with the silver hardware, or even like black on black. They have like this matte black hardware, and by the way, I'll do my best to link all of them down below. But ultimately I have decided to go with the antique gold hardware, because all my bags except one have a silver hardware, except my Chanel single flap, which is like a very nice shiny gold. So I thought to myself, you know, I will go with the antique gold because it's just for a different, just something different. Plus, you know, it's not one of those very shiny kind of a gold, like I mentioned, you know, it's more kind of a toned down. Yeah, it's just, I don't know, I think it's very, very elegant, and at the same time, you know, can be quite casual. And black and black was nice, but I just thought it was just too black, like I needed some contrast, you know. And they also have, sometimes it can come with this kind of crinkled leather. It was like the kind of like the Chanel reissue that has, you know, that looks like it's very distressed kind of a leather, but I just went, you know, with a classic. I think these are like more popular. So this is just super smooth, kind of a poofy, puffy leather, and it's gorgeous. So obviously there is a base, and like I mentioned it, I actually used it once, you guys. So I just couldn't wait. I couldn't wait. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It's I think it's really beautiful. I'm so glad that I got it. My husband said, this is actually like your Chanel double flap, and I was like, well, no, it doesn't. You know, in my opinion, it's completely different bag, but it kind of has the same feel. So let me show you inside. So it has this kind of very, I don't know, I feel about this like a little jacket, you know. So it has this kind of an opening in here, and it was stuffed with that paper, so I'm just gonna take it out. So it's a very wide, kind of a deep opening here, and all it has, you guys, is just like a little pocket here, zipper pocket on the side, and then just one empty space. And it came with some kind of a paperwork in here, but it's just like an authenticity card. I didn't even open this yet, but yeah, that's pretty much how it looks inside. There we go. So you have this little pocket here, and then just one big open space. So it's pretty roomy, you know. There's a lot of stuff. I put my usual, you know, wallet, hand sanitizer, you know, just Kleenex, you know, like little things, tissue, and you know, it's enough. And as you can see, I took this paper out, and this bag is still pretty, you know, it's soft bag, but at the same time it's pretty structured, you know. It doesn't completely like lose its shape. So it's kind of like, I guess because of the quilts, you know, kind of stands out. So yeah, oh my god, I'm so excited, you guys. So especially now that we have that snow, we'll see how long it will last. I feel like this is just going to be perfect. You know, my kind of a winter bag. And I don't know, when I did my wish list video, I asked you guys, like, is it appropriate to wear this handbag during the summer? Probably will feel a little bit wintry, so I might just reserve this handbag for winter and kind of a fall, you know, once we get to the cooler months. But yeah, for now it's perfect. So yeah, super excited. Yeah, I'm kind of curious, you know, do you guys have this handbag? Do you enjoy this handbag? I know a lot of YouTubers, you know, kind of reviews that I've been watching, people absolutely love this handbag, and there's so many positive feedback that I have been, you know, hearing, and not much of a negative feedback. Obviously, I cannot tell you anything yet because I use it literally once, but it felt very comfortable on my shoulder. Fits a ton. You can even put like a small cosmetic case, which I didn't, but you certainly can. There's no pocket on the other side, which would be maybe nice to have, you know, to put your cell phone, but that's all right. Hey, it's perfect. And you know, at some point I was considering to get either this one or the large or the medium, whatever it's called, the Lulu handbag, which is very similar. I can pop the picture in there. But then I'm not a big fan of that Lulu. I don't know why. It's just, you know, I was thinking about it, but this one definitely is just something that you know, I was drawn into it so much. And I know the YSL is so popular, and I feel like lots of people have the Lulu bag, and lots of people have this handbag as well. But for some reason, I'm just drawn into this one and not so much into the Lulu. Or I know they come in different sizes, and even those little ones that you can wear crossbody, and I don't know, I just feel like this one is more me. So I'm sticking with this one, and I most likely I'm not gonna buy the Lulu because I'm not, you know, in love, obviously. So anyway, speaking of crossbody, I did try this handbag crossbody. So I move, you know, the chain like this. I can do it, but sits a little high on me. So if you are maybe a little bit shorter than me and you know, thinner, obviously, more slim, probably you can wear it crossbody. But to me, you know, the ultimately way, you know, this is how I carry, and it's very, very comfortable on the shoulder. Absolutely love it. So happy that I got it. Alright guys, so this is it for today. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So I always do this kind of first handbag of the new year, and usually get one handbag like in January. So this year I'm a little bit late to the game, but yeah, I was just kind of going back and forth, you know. I just couldn't decide, but yeah, this was certainly a winner in my eyes, so taking off my wish list. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching again. I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay warm wherever you are, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.